Welcome back. In continuing our series, I promised you last time that we would talk about stone removal, so let's jump right in. Did you know that you don't even have to remove your stones when sending your metal in for refining? That's right. Using a chemical process, United PMR can remove the stones from jewelry sent in for refining. This can save you a lot of time. Just send the lot in and let United PMR do that work for you. Stones can be removed from gold, silver, and platinum jewelry. The process in a nutshell is as follows. When United PMR first receives the lot, it is both weighed and photographed. This will help you better identify your stones when they are returned to you. The jewelry is then placed into large beakers and filled with a mix of chemicals that are then heated. This will begin breaking down those metals into a liquid form, leaving the stones at the bottom of the beaker. The stones are then removed, washed, and sorted, and then finally returned back to you. Now this process can happen a couple of times until those stones are fully removed from the metals. And this is the Cliff's Notes version, but there's a little bit more to it than that. For instance, in this photo, you are going to see a lot of pearls and other miscellaneous items. So, are the pearls going to make it through this process? No, sadly they will not. Organic items such as pearls, opals, lapis, and onyx are not going to survive the acid bath and the process that dissolves the metals. However, most hard, faceted, natural, and lab-grown stones, both precious and semi-precious, will do just fine. Every now and then, there will be some exceptions, such as an emerald or similar that have maybe a lot of surface inclusions or are heavily fracture filled. It is rare, but those may end up with a slightly cloudy appearance. Another extra step that customers can request is to have the stones frosted. Frosting is a process run on clear stones to help separate diamonds from CZs. And again, this is for clear stones only. They are put into another heated acid bath that will etch the stones such as CZs, making it very easy to clearly identify the diamonds. Natural and lab-grown diamonds will be unaffected by this process. One of the things that I really like about United PMR is there is no interest in your stones whatsoever. They do not sell, trade, or deal with stones at all other than the removal process. This is nice because you will receive all of your stones back without any undue influence or pressure from them as your refiner. The stone removal process is an additional service, and you can call your account manager to find out more information and pricing. As always, if you have questions, be sure to drop them down in the comment section and we'll be sure to get back to you and answer all of those.